So this week is Eating Disorders Awareness Week, and Beat's topic for this year is men with eating disorders. So I'm joined here with Geraint, and he's going to talk to us a bit about his experience of being a man with an eating disorder.
So men really do get eating disorders is number one, and people just assume that women only get eating disorders, and there's actually 1 in 3 men that get eating disorders. I was reluctant to seek help with an eating disorder at first because I didn't think that I had an eating disorder or men got eating disorders, which was completely untrue. And then I started to see a dietitian from the mental health team, and he slowly discovered that I had an eating disorder. So I was referred to the eating disorder services, and we had an assessment and a couple of chats, and then I got diagnosed with anorexia nervosa, which is quite uncommon for men, which most men usually have bulimia or over-exercise or orthorexia. Most men don't seek help because of stigma and societal expectations.
Definitely, I think there definitely needs more awareness of men having eating disorders because it is more common than people realise, and the signs are different between males and females sometimes.
Yeah, because like men, we don't lose our period, and that's kind of a common thing with women with eating disorders. There's lots of like different reasons why men have eating disorders compared to women as well, so it's not one fits all kind of thing.
No, definitely, and I think with a lot of eating disorders it's not a one size fits all kind of box that they try and put it in, and it is being aware and trying to pick up on those signs early on of people having an eating disorder.
Yeah, I think the earlier you seek the help, the quicker it is to recover as well, because you have more earlier intervention and more time with the nurses and more therapies.
100%.